Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making a super simple little Christmas treat that you can either give to people as gifts or just use around your house or have at your Christmas party, whatever you want to do with it. I'm sure you've probably seen them before. They are chocolate covered spoons. So I just picked up some of these cute decorative holiday wooden spoons from my local Hobby Lobby. I love Hobby Lobby. They were $2.99 and you get 12 spoons, so that's not bad at all. Now you can use any kind of spoon you want. You can use a plastic spoon in any color. Like this time of year, it's very easy to find, you know, Christmas looking or festive looking spoons like this, or you could just use plain white because what you're going to put onto them is going to decorate them. So even if you just want to buy a huge bag of plain white spoons, you can go that route and you can't go wrong. All we're going to be using these for is to stir hot cocoa with. So yeah, they can be on wooden spoons, plastic spoons, even metal spoons, I guess. I've never seen them on metal spoons, but I suppose you could use metal spoons. Today we're going to be using these wooden ones. So let's go ahead and get started. This is really quick, really simple. Okay, so you're going to need a baking sheet, or you don't have to use a baking sheet, I guess, but you are going to need either a piece of parchment paper, wax paper, or something like that to lay the spoons on once you put the chocolate on. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these cute spoons open. Oh, these are really cute. And then you're going to need some melted chocolate. You can use milk chocolate, you can use white chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever you want. If you want to make a really yummy tasting spoon, because like I said, these are going to get stirred into hot cocoa, maybe spring for some nice high quality Ghirardelli chocolate or something like this, something that tastes really good. When it comes to covering items in chocolate or working with chocolate, chocolate chips don't always work great for everything, but in this situation you can get away with using chocolate chips. So I am just going to coat the spoon. I'm going to try to make my little line on it as straight as I can. And then I'm going to tap it off, but I want a good amount of chocolate to stay on the spoon. So I'm not going to tap it off too much because you almost want the chocolate to puddle on the top of the spoon so that you get a decent amount. Okay. All right. Now here comes the fun part. You can top these with literally anything. So I think what I'm going to do to make this a little bit easier is I'm going to dip the spoon and then I'm going to set it aside so it can dry. Like I said, you really want a decent amount of chocolate on these. So I'm going to dip them and fill the, you know, the part of the spoon where it collects, where it spoons things, the divot here. I want that completely full of chocolate. So I'm just going to start on the back here and lay some over the back, and then, and you can go a little bit up the handle. And I'm going to tap it off, but again, I want to leave the chocolate in the trough of the spoon. I don't know what you call that, trough, divot, whatever. I want that spoon full of chocolate. Okay. And I'm just going to lay these down on the parchment paper so they can dry. And then what I'm going to do to add the toppings is I'm going to give them another coat so that they're even thicker with chocolate, and so that our toppings will stick to them, because right now when you first coat them or fill them with chocolate, there's a lot of chocolate on there, and if I started trying to fill these, odds are the chocolate's going to spill over even more, which means you would have to hold it over your bowl, and you don't want to be sprinkling toppings over your bowl. So I think the easiest, best way to approach this would be to dip all the spoons first and let them harden or dry, and then go back in and do one more thin coat of chocolate on them and put the toppings on. That's what I think. I think 6 is good for now. So I'm going to pop these in the freezer to chill so they can set up, and then we're going to dip them one more time and put the toppings on, and this is where it gets fun. Okay guys, so we have our chocolate spoons. We are just going to give them another quick dip in the chocolate, and this is just to make them sticky to stick all of the toppings to, okay? So once you do that second coat, you can kind of bang it off really hard. Go like that. And then here I've got some crushed candy cane. So this one I'm just gonna put some crushed candy cane chunks on. Cute. Set that there. One I'm gonna do some Christmas sprinkles on, and you don't even have to recoat both sides really just the top, but it's up to you. If you want a lot of chocolate on there, you can do both. Okay, so again, I'm banging it off really good to get all the excess chocolate off so that I can kind of take it away from the bowl of chocolate. Oh, just broke my sprinkle container. And now this one I'm going to put some Christmas jimmies on. And you can really get into using all kinds of different stuff on these. You can use Heath toffee bits that you can buy at the supermarket. You can use crushed Andes mints. You can use anything you want. This next one, I think this is perfect for hot cocoa. I'm going to do mini marshmallows. So I'm just going to go like that and get as many on there as I can. So then when they stir their chocolate, it'll already have the marshmallows on it for them. They're already built in. Now, for my next one, I want to do a Grinchy spoon, because you know I gotta do something Grinchy. Can't do any dang project without making something Grinch themed. So again, I'm just gonna give my spoon another coat all over, tap off the excess. And all I have here are some green colored sprinkles, some jimmies, and then I've got some red heart sprinkles here. So what I'm gonna do is first, I'm gonna lay a heart sprinkle in the middle, and then I'm gonna sprinkle on the green jimmies around it. How stinking cute is that? Alright, so we got our Grinchy spoon. Now, for the last 2 spoons, I'm going to show you guys how you can incorporate other colors of chocolate to decorate these as well. So, I'm going to grab my red and white colored chocolate. I'm going to give these another coat, but just leave them plain. And then I'm going to go grab my red and white colored chocolate, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do with that. Okay guys, so I have these last 2 spoons here that I dipped in chocolate, gave them their second coat of chocolate, and I want to do something a little different with these just to show you some more options you can explore when decorating these spoons. You can keep it really simple and just go with different toppings and sprinkles, or you could melt more than one color of chocolate, and I'm not even going to get a piping bag to pipe this on with. I'm just going to take it and drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. One color, and then drizzle a second color on. And I think on this one, I'm going to put just a couple of the Christmas sprinkles. Okay? Or you could just do one accent color, like white, or I'm sorry, like red. Do a few little drizzles, and then add some crushed candy cane. All right. So, like I said, you can be as detailed, elaborate, or as simple as you want with these. I think the ones just dipped in chocolate with different toppings are gorgeous. But like I said, if you want to kick it up a notch, you can get into introducing more colors. You could even get, you know, crazy with these and stick a little sugar decoration in the center. All right, guys, so I just have some small treat bags here, and you're just gonna slide your spoon in. All right, and we'll do a red ribbon on this one. And there you have it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed making these a lot more than I thought I would for some reason. I had a lot of fun. They're super cute. So if you liked today's video, be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the little bell notification if you would like notified anytime we upload a new video, and let me know in the comments below if you make these or have made these and how it went or what toppings you use. So have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ouch. Why did I think that would be clever?